In this video today, we are gonna walk you through how to effectively remove water spots from your paint or your glass or your car's finish, okay? Now, depending on how long water spots have been on the surface, depends on how aggressive you need to be. Now, when it comes to removing water spots, there's sort of 3 stages at which water spots progress or develop, okay? Stage 1, they're just minerals on the surface, okay? When they're just minerals like this, I can use something like waterless wash like this. All the water spots in the area I just used waterless wash in are gone, okay? Now, if you use this product, you spray it on and you wipe it off, okay? And you still see water spots, then those have progressed to scale. Spray detail spray as your clay lube, which I just did. And then you take the clay bar and you rub it on the surface. And once we do that, you can see that where I did the clay bar, the water spots are gone. Now, once water spots have etched into the surface like it has onto this glass, I'm gonna use our SK Pro 12mm mini polisher, and I'm gonna use blue foam. Switch to the white foam pad and the white polish, the water spots are gone. And I know that polishing is going to be the way to remove this. Now, the same process goes for paint.